Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about the awzan. You can call them verb patterns or verb forms and consider them as stencils. So you are now acquainted with six different forms of verbs, right? If you remember correctly, I told you that all these belong to the form 1. You would also remember that most of the Arabic words they come from root letters and most of the root letters are actually 3. So these are known as triliteral verb forms or as we say thulathi. Now you can actually map all the forms based upon 3 letters. So the first letter becomes fa and the second letter becomes ain and the third letter becomes lam. Fa, Ain, Lam. So if we take the example of Nasara, the first letter Noon is actually Fa ul Kalima, and the second letter Swad is actually Ain ul Kalima, and the third letter Ra is actually Lam ul Kalima. So Nasara is actually on the pattern of Fa'ala. Similarly, when you convert Nasara to Yansuru, you can actually pattern it to Yaf'ulu. All verbs following this particular pattern, that means Nasara Yansuru or form, will take the form of Fa'ala Yaf'ulu. You can map it on Fa'ala Yaf'ulu. Ya is actually the sign of being in present or future form, that is known as alamatu mudari. Some of the forms are very clearly identifiable. For example, if I talk about the wazn or the form fa'ilun, it will give you an idea of the doer of something. So hasidun, the person who does hasad. Fatihun, the person who opens something. Daribun, a person who hits something. Nasirun, the person who helps. In the same way, the name of somebody upon whom the action is being done takes the form of maf'ulun. So, Mansurun, the one who has been helped. Madrubun, the person who has been hit. Maqrudun, the person who had been given some loan. Ma'lumun, so what that is known. And you can find out a lot of patterns from Urdu which are generally common among Arabic and Urdu. So this is about the wazn or the pattern which we find commonly in Arabic language. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.